How to use your phone's camera as a webcam in Windows 11. So if you want to use your phone's camera as a webcam in Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your settings. Under that you need to go with Bluetooth and devices, and from here you need to scroll down and then go with mobile devices. Under mobile devices you need to go and turn on the phone link, and after turning on the phone link you need to open up your phone link and link your phone with your Windows. And if it's your first time, it will ask you for your QR code and scanner. You need to just scan the QR code and your mobile device will be connected. After connecting your mobile device with the phone link, you need to go with the first option, which is allow this PC to access your mobile device. You'll have the mobile devices section. You need to go with right side and then go with manage devices. Under manage devices, you'll find all of the devices right here. And once you connect your device, you'll find your device name right here. So you need to click on your device name and you'll get two options, which is one is use as a connected camera, and the second one is get new photo notifications. So you need to go with those two options and make sure those two are enabled, and make sure that your device is also enabled. After that, you'll be able to use your phone's camera as a webcam. After connecting and after doing all of these settings, you need to just go back and you need to open up your camera icon or camera application. So search for camera, just click on the camera, open up your camera. After opening your camera, here on the top right, you will have the switch option. You can go and switch from your camera, like your mobile device, to your computer. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.